everyone, today we are back with another video on the stack using Python. So in earlier videos we have learned what the stack is, and we have done some of the questions on the stack, like balance, parentheses, and all that. So in this video we are going to delete the bottom element. We are going to learn how to delete the bottom element in the stack using Python. So in when we learn stack, we learned that we can delete the top element easily by using a pop function. So now, for deleting a bottom element in the stack, we're going to use an approach of using another stack, using another empty stack for deleting the middle element of one stack. So, what we're going to do in this? So, okay. Now, we consider we have the stack and like that. Yeah, this is like empty stack. Okay, so now we have a stack. So in that stack, we have firstly, we have this bottom element which we have to delete. After that, our bottom element, and then we have more element on the top of it. So we keep on adding the elements like this in this stack. So we have the stack. We have the stack. We have this elements in the stack, which is like we have one, and then we have two, three, four, and then we have six. Okay. We have the elements in the stack. Now, in the stack, we want to remove just one element. So, this element we want to remove. Okay. If we want to remove that element, what we'll do, like when we're reversing a string. So, when we move it here, so the whole order would be reversed, like the top element. So, okay. So now we are applying the pop function and we are adding it to another stack. So, that here we are applying a pop function. So, that six would be added here, like for function, and from this we are doing for function and this push. So we are taking one element from the first stack we have. Like, okay, let me name it. This is the stack one, and this one is stack two. So we have the stacks. So this is our stack. We want to okay. So now we have okay, we keep on popping the elements from the stack and pushing in the stack. So we take 5 from this side, and just like that we take 4 from this, from this way we are popping and then pushing to this one. We have 3, and then we have 2, and then we have this 1. Like we have this one more. So now we got this element. Now we got this the bottom element on the top, and it's very easy for you to remove the top element. So to remove this element, so basically to remove this element, we simply use the so for that we'll use a like function that is stack to the by using this we can pop this element. So this element would be deleted. So if we delete this element, we remove it. This element is deleted from the stack. And now we have deleted this element. Now we go back to the stack, and then we move this whole stack here by using a pop function over there. Like here we've been using the pop function, and now we'll push it there. So the 2 is pushed here, and then we have 3 over it, and then 4, then we have 5, and then we have 6 over. So this is how we get our stack back. So earlier our stack was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have deleted the bottom element from it. So this is the basic approach how we are going to delete the bottom element of the stack. Here I have already made a stack as we have done in the implementation of the stack. So this basic function we need, that is like is empty, then purge, and pop, and then we have peek function. Okay, so now we come here. So for deleting the bottom element, firstly we will be defining a class. We've defined a class bottom element. So firstly we will check if the stack is empty or not. So we have if not dot is empty, not self dot is empty. The first tag which we have defined, if it's not empty, then we will make another stack, that is stack 2. I've named it stack 2, that is equal to stack. So now we have given this stack. We have called a function area. So now we have given stack. So when we are making a stack 2, it will firstly look at these all the functions of what stack have. So in that, so now we have made another stack in which we are temporarily going to store our values. Then in that we have while not self dot is while not self dot is empty. So now we have gone like where we have defined the stack. Like we have self. So while not self is dot empty, when our like first tag is not empty, when we have so we'll be, giving stack 2 dot push. We'll be pushing elements in the stack, and how will be pushing? That is self dot pop. So firstly, we are removing the elements from the first stack. We have stack 1, and then we are pushing that to stack 2. So, so now here we are done like from we keep on deleting from one stack and we keep on adding to the other stack. So we'll keep on doing until the stack is empty. So like we have while not self dot is empty. So until the stack is empty, we keep on repeating the same. After that, we have now the stack is empty. It will stop this loop, and now we have one at the top. Okay, so now we'll be removing the top element. We got the bottom element of one stack. We got it in the top of another stack. We want to remove it. So then we have stack 2 dot top. This is how we remove the topmost element. Top element will be removed, and then we have not here. We removed. Then we have another one. We have while not stack 2 dot while not stack 2 is empty. And now we have deleted the element. Now we want our element back to the stack 1. So now we have done our work. Like we have stored in another stack just to get the bottom element in the top so that we can delete it easily. So we have deleted. Now we want our elements back in our original stack. So while not stack dot stack 2 dot is empty. So here we will again do the same thing, that we pop from one stack and push in the other stack. We have self dot push stack 2 dot Now we have done this. We have in this we are pushing in the stack two from the cells, and here we have removing from the stack two to there. So now we we got the elements back. So we'll take an example. We'll take an example for it. So here we'll be firstly making a stack. We have stack. First we will stack dot push. I'll be pushing one element. So just like that, I'll be two, three, here, four here, and five, six. Got six elements in the stack. So now we have rent original stack, tag for deletion, tag before deletion, and then now and then we have now we'll be stack dot will be calling the function delete bottom. We have this sorry, bottom define for you. We have defined bottom element. Delete bottom element. So we'll be calling the same bottom element. And then it's gonna print and, so here we'll get stack dot. So now we're gonna we have contained the whole code. Now we're gonna run this. So here we have stack before deletion. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after deletion we have 1, 2. We have deleted the first element. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we delete a bottom element in the